Hello, back. This is the IVB man. I had to go grab a smoker so I could work this hive. Should have waked him up first, but it didn't. Okay. Looks like these frames aren't touched. Oh my god. They really glued this frame in. Shit. Sorry for the language. Screwed up. So what I'm doing is I basically just smoked. I can't get this frame out currently, so I've got to switch tools. I need to move slower, but I can't. Oh, that's not good. Grab the smoker, back up. I put that sugar jar there so they can be eating. I'm just trying to make sure got a laying colony. Looks like we got some honey. Looking for the queen. Don't see her in this frame. That's weird. There's only three. They're only on 3 frames. That means we've lost most of our population. Let me get this going again. Far away. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove some of these frames so I can move them over. So what I'm doing is I'm just moving the frames over so I can get easier access to them. It's a common practice when I don't have access to my frame holder currently. I'll pull this frame of beads, they're gonna go everywhere, so get ready. I don't have a good grip on them. Queen could be on this frame. There's a yellow jacket. Got some brood. Oh, got her. She's right on this frame. We got a good colony with spotty brood, some discoloration, some dark brood, dark comb. I'm looking at the bees. Queen is on this frame, so I'm gonna put it back in. Oh, they're pissed. What I'm going to quickly do is I'm going to pull this frame up, get the smoker going again. I'm going to open it up and restart it. Ooh, that's fire. That's hot. I think I got a bee in my glove. This hive is super light. Like, look how easily that's moving. That's terrifying. This is a heavy frame. What's on it? I got honey in the hive. Put that back in for the winter. That's why there's such a population decrease. I'm gonna move these two frames back together. Oh, hoo, hoo, hoo. And put them back together. I got so many bees on me right now, it's not even funny, but it's normal. Let's drop these drawn in. You know what we may have to do? We may have to switch to solid feed. Saying these cold temperatures could be affecting them. Okay, so I'm gonna try to slowly walk away. So I've seen everything I need to see in this hive, boys. First hive done. Need to put a new thing of sugar water on there soon. Actually need that smoker. They'll move. They're gonna have to. Yeah. So, okay. Yep, sorry. I know they just killed some. They're probably gonna get furious. Yep, okay. I can't help that I kill a couple when I put that stuff back on. That's just practice, how we practice our stuff. I'll deal with all this later. I need to make sure, where's that rock at? Okay, rock has to go back on. Okay, so hive looks good. Kind of weak a little bit, actually, honestly. I'm getting twisted in my own cord. So we're gonna go on to the next hive. Thank you.